Hi, in this video we're going to show you an easy way to change the width between the icons in your system tray. So we're going to be using a free tool called WindHawk. So we've done some other videos on this app. So how it works, it's pretty much a repository for what they call mods. So these are ways you could tweak Windows. So you just choose the mods you want to install, then you could activate them or deactivate them, and then adjust the settings accordingly. So once you install it, you'll have the home screen with your installed mods and featured mods, and then you could also click on Explore and actually search from the search box. So the one we're going to be using is called Taskbar Notification Icon Spacing. So if you want to try this one out and you install WindHawk, you would just go to Explore and search for it, and then you would click on Details and install it. So once it's installed, you could enable it and disable it as needed. So right now it's enabled. So what we want to do is go to the settings. And this one's pretty simple. You just pretty much put in a number here for your spacing. So the default's 32. So if, let's say we change this to 20, click on Save Settings. You can see it shrinks up the spacing there. And I don't know how low we could go here before it gets unusable. That's not too bad, but you could still use it if you needed to. And if you want to go a little wider, let's say 50, like so. And even if you went as drastic as 100, you really have some space there, but obviously you're not going to use that, so maybe you want to shrink it down to something like 25, for example. Makes it a little tighter than the default 32, which looks like this. One more time. So if you tend to have a lot of icons in your system tray and they get in the way of your taskbar, your open programs, then you might want to give this a shot. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download WindHawk, and then like I said, just do a search for Taskbar Notification Icon Spacing from Explore in the search box, and then install it and then configure it accordingly. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.